Welcome to the project demonstration of automatic room illumination controlling system and gate authentication along with visitors counting and also maximum capacity limiting the users. So here the flow is we are going to identify the person's presence inside the room with the help of two IR sensors. So this one is for entrance section and this one for exit section, and we can see this one IR for entrance purpose. So here is the flows, nothing but, so whenever the person is trying to enter into the room, then when the person's presence will be identified by this IR sensor, and then the system will ask for the password, and the particular password should be entered from this 4x3 matrix keypad, and that will be authenticated with the help of our Arduino Uno, which is the main controlling device. So once the password got authenticated, then the system will open this door with the help of L293D motor driver. So L293 motor driver can control two DC motors in forward and backward motion. So now we are using only one DC motor. Here is the DC motor which was attached to this sliding mechanism. And at the same time, so we are going to count the persons. So whenever the person is entered, then this particular IR sensor will identify him as an entry, and then it will increment the count, the presence of the persons inside this room. And after that, when the person is want to exit, then just you want to come here, and then the particular person presence will be identified by this IR sensor and the door will be opened. And after when he exits, this particular sensor will identify his presence and it will decrement the count. And also here the next, for automatic room illumination controlling system, we are making use of this LDR. So there is light dependent resistor, so it will identify the light presence on this LDR surface. And whenever the light presence is more, then the Arduino Uno will get the more voltage, and less light, less voltage. By this differentiation, we are going to control this bulb with the help of electromagnetic relay. So here we are using a 5-volt operated electromagnetic relay, which will use it to control the 7 amp load up to 230 volts input. So this load got input voltage from this power cable, and that will be on and off by this relay. Whenever the low light and high light, it will be off. And this particular adapter is for the DC motor L293D, and this particular adapter is for the main power source to the Arduino Uno. So let us see the demonstration just by connecting the adapters to the socket. And also we need to place some things it should be between the, we should stop the lighting fall on the IR sensor. So why? Because the light consists of IRs, just for the demonstration purpose, right? And now I switch on the kit, and there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen, and then after count is 0, right? And now let us see the entrance, right? So coming to the entry, whenever the entry is detected, the entry sensor detected, it will ask for the password, and the password is 4 3 2 1. So once password is authenticated, it will opens and you need to enter, and automatically the door will be closed and the count incremented to 1. So the next, one. So if doesn't enter, then the increment will not happen because the count is 1 only. So again he is entering. So then he need to enter, right? After 3 seconds, automatically the door will close. Now so if right, capacity is full. Now the person has to come, till that it won't allow the next person, right? And now the count is decremented, right? Now the person can enter right inside this room. So in this way the person counting as well as authentication will be done with help of our keypad. And coming to this LDR sensor, so whenever we cover up this, alright, see, on and off, on and off, so it will be done automatically. Room lighting controlling system as well as person counting and limiting with maximum capacity, allowing for the room system, right? So here, so this one is a breadboard, just in order to distribute the 5